Hey everybody, how's it going? Coming to you from the 2008 Hhr. I showed you a couple videos back. What am I doing? Well, I gotta take the carpet out because carpet's just ruined. I figured out at least part of my leak. This drain here comes from the sunroof area, and this tube is ruptured. It's been soaking the floor on this side for I don't know how long, and I don't think that's my only area where water's coming in, because up here it feels a little damp, so I think I've got more than one issue going on. It could simply be that that tube not draining properly. There's a clog somewhere and the water's backing up and coming in through there. But also this glass does not close properly because the little wind deflector that comes up so that it doesn't, when you have this open, it doesn't send all the air in. That's broken now, so it's not allowing the glass to sit properly. But yeah, I think I'm gonna throw this seatbelt out because this is just all ruined with mold. I just gotta figure out how to disconnect this here, which I'll grab a screwdriver and do after I'm done recording this. But yeah, it's coming along with taking stuff apart. I think I'm gonna have to go as far as taking the top of the dash off if I can get access to all the bolts. I really don't want to touch the windshield. I can't imagine I would have to touch the windshield, but you never know. I can see that there's a bolt right over there, and there's probably one right over there, and maybe one closer to the corner on each side, which I'll have to use a little wrench for to get to. But I want to open all this up over here in this corner to access that tube so that I can measure it and replace it with some rubber hose. And also I want to see exactly where it goes. I think when the little wind deflector thing got broken, it actually broke something in the track of the sunroof. I don't remember exactly, but I'm gonna have to, once I get this all taken apart, open that back up and check again. Excuse me. The only reason I'm not doing it right now is because I don't want to have to try and get it closed again, because it was kind of a pain in the ass last time. I'm also, the primary reason I've done so much taking apart in here, other than the carpet, is this headliner. I want to see how much mold is growing on the other side of this, because when I had this open and I looked in, I could see some in here, a little bit over there, so I can only assume that it's going all the way across the front and back, which I'm gonna have to try and save it, because I can't find a tan headliner anywhere online. So I'll just have to pressure wash it, let it dry. And yeah, today is Black Friday. I do have to go to my second job later today, actually, yeah, in about 4 hours. So I'm gonna work on this a little longer, taking it apart, and then I've got all the two front seats and all the plastic panels I've pulled off outside And I might go to my first job, use the pressure washer there to clean all of those up, leave them there to dry overnight, and then tomorrow or maybe Sunday go and pick them up so I can put them in my storage unit, keep them dry for now, because they're not going to stay clean in here with this the way it is. I might, and I really don't want to. I would much rather replace this carpet, but so far everywhere I've looked online, the whole carpet is $300. Which, I mean, I'm okay with spending $300 on it, because this carpet is really friggin' nasty. But yeah, it's a lot of money to spend when, you know, you're not 100% sure if you can get this on the road or not. And what I mean by that is the control arm bushings are shot, I think, on this side, and I've heard that the bolts, I don't know, I've heard that the bolts can be a real bear to replace, and it can be bad enough. I would think that, you know, you can't fix the car. So yeah, but we'll see. The guy I go to is pretty good, even if he takes forever. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep working on this, probably get this seatbelt disconnected, and maybe I'll try washing it. It doesn't hurt. It wouldn't be a total waste of time, but yeah, it's pretty bad. And I know that some of you know Chris. This isn't a reflection of anything that he did. This is a reflection of, you know, don't buy a car with a hole that gets cut into a perfectly good roof for a damn window. I'm sorry. After this, I don't ever want to own a car with a sunroof again. This is just from water. This is all water damage. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you haven't, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.